I'm here with my Dash omelet maker, and I have a small zucchini, and I was wondering how well this would cook in this omelet maker. Since the omelet maker has a nice oval shape, I thought this would fit perfectly inside there, which it does. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I'm going to clean the zucchini. I'm going to cut the ends off, maybe cut off a little bit of the skin. But other than that, I'm going to leave it whole and cook it in the omelet maker. Let's see how it does. So here's my omelet maker. The green light just went on, so we're ready to cook. I'm going to open it up, being very careful because it is very hot. I'm going to put my zucchini in there, and let's see if it will close. There we go. I'm not going to latch it because there is maybe like a ½ inch of opening space between the two handles. Maybe as it cooks down, it'll close itself. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll set a timer for about 4 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. Let's open this up and let's see what's going on here. So here's the zucchini, and it's still very, very firm. It doesn't really look like it's cooked at all. The other side is also still very, very firm. So let's shut this and I'll come back in maybe 10 minutes. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. It smells like there's a lot of browning going on. Also, the handles are much closer together. So let's open this and let's see what's happening here. So there's the zucchini. Oh, and it's nice and soft now. Let's turn it over. And here's the other side. There's a whole lot of browning going on where there's this strip of zucchini skin, but this is really nicely cooked. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to slice it in half long ways. So here's my zucchini. It's really nicely cooked. I feel like the only thing that's missing is some grill marks. So I did not add any butter or oil or anything before cooking the zucchini. So right now I'm going to add some butter to this. And let's see how it does with a fried egg. So I just added 1 egg. I did not beat the egg. It looks like there's a little bit of eggshell down there, but that's okay. I'm going to close this. And we'll be back in about a minute. And let's see how it does with the fried egg. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's open this and see what's going on inside. Wow, that cooked really, really fast. So I'm going to unplug this. And I'm going to grab a spatula. Let's see how easy this comes out. Oh yeah, this will come out really easy. But it is kind of like long and awkward. Like the shape of it is long and awkward. Can I get it out without... Like I need a long, narrow spatula, so I'd like to get it out without breaking the yolk. There we go. So here's my fried egg on top of my cooked zucchini. And now I'm going to add some of this golden berry salsa. So I got some golden berries with my Imperfect Foods order this week. And I tasted them, and they were really tangy. Not as sweet as I remember them. So I thought I would make a salsa with them, and it came out really good. So it's just some chopped up golden berries, some cilantro, some red onion, and a little bit of salt. And I think that's everything that I put into it. And then I let it sit and marinate in the refrigerator for a day or two, and yeah, it's really good. This looks so good. So this is going to be a part of my breakfast today. I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. It sounds like there's a landscaper outside coming from my neighbor's house. Anyway, this looks so good. I want to cut into the egg yolk. Yeah, a nice runny yolk. Let me grab some of the salsa. I want to taste everything. It's kind of slippery and slidey. Okay, here we go. That looks like a really nice bite. Really good. The zucchini probably could have cooked for 2 minutes less. It's a little bit softer than I actually like it, but it's still good. There's still like a little bit of crunchiness to it, and it's delicious with the egg and the salsa. I mean, this is such a simple, easy, healthy meal. So I am going to enjoy the rest of this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.